It's an F train when all you need is an M.
It's an F train when all you need is an M.
It's an F train when all you need is an M.
An F train when you need an M. It's an F train when all you need is an M.
It's an F train when all you need is an M. It's an F train when all you need is an M. An F train when you need an M.
You look down the tunnel from whence the trains come,
And you see some headlights and your heart starts to jump.
there were 4 F trains in a row. This one's gotta be yours.
There's no way it's an F. It's an M train for sure. Has to be an M train, don't you think? It's an F train, another fucking F. It's an F train. I can't believe it's an F, a fucking F train. Maybe that's all there is. The subway is just F trains now. It's an R train when all you need is an M. It's an A train when all you need is an M. It's a Z train. Is that even a train? It's just a train that you don't need.
Do you want to just take the F?
Yeah, this is my nightmare.
Oh, if we can transfer maybe at Essex.
Yeah, and we'll
Go J.
I need to eat something. I need to move forward.
You're hungry?
Yeah, starving.
We get McDonald's?
No, Burger King.
You want to get Burger King?
Yeah, let's get Burger King.
Okay.